Happy Wednesday. It's mail call time again. Oh my goodness. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. That's right, we got two of them going on today. First one is from right here. Beer Champ Barbecue Pitmaster. He sent me a t-shirt and it fits. It's an extra large. That's right. I need a washer. Yes, I do. I think he's gonna put a new roof on that shanty. And I like that word, shanty. I'm going to build my shanty over here. That's right. That's right. Oh, and I can't ever remember the whole name. Conestoga, New York. That's where he lives. Yeah. Y'all know Rob. He's a cooking. Always a cooking. This one here, this one's pretty cool. This one here is from a Llama Monster. Let me show you what he sent me, okay? He's in Sophia, West Virginia. He's into Banknotes. And look here, I'm fixing to show you some videos of his life, photography, all that. Pretty cool guy. He's got his own business card, YouTube business card. See if you can see that. Yeah. Isn't that cool? He's not a monster. Llama Monster, not a monster. This is really cool. Maddie is going to love these. So, let's see what we got. Mothgen Dong. Banknote. Can you see that? And then we got, this is pretty cool. Republic Bolivariana de Venezuela. Yeah, check that out. Billy from Strong's Adventures, his mama gave me a banknote, and that's my first international banknote. And now I got 4 more. There's different things I do collect that will be passed down to my granddaughters when that time comes. This is from Songgua Remen Yinghang. Yeah. Let's give me the all fancy ones. Check this one out. Banco de Guatemala. Check it out. Look. It's clear right there. Look at that. Alright. I really appreciate it. That is very cool. I appreciate y'all going over. Their links are down below. I'm sure y'all know Rob. But check out Llama Monster. See what you think. As I always say, if you check a channel out, watch 2. Oh, I forgot. I forgot I had the channel up right over here. Beep, beep, beep. Anyway. Alright, that's what we have. I always say, if you're interested in a channel, watch at least 2 videos, and you can make a decision up where, hey man, this would be kind of cool or not. And I always pick videos that interest you by the name or the JPEG, whatever thumbnail. Anyway, I'm jabbering on. That's what we have for you today. We got a couple more in there. They'll be coming out in the next couple weeks. God bless the USA. God bless America. God bless the world. Alright, I'm trying to make a queso for this Sunday. I created the recipe. And it was a awesome thing at the party yesterday. Yes, it was. I'm rambling. Alright, we may be cutting some of this out. I don't know. Y'all have a fantastic rest of the week. See ya. See you next Sunday.